Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the Chamber of Secrets. In this class I will discuss you about the derivation of v squared is equal to u² plus 2as by graph and calculus. So let's start after the intro. So at first we have to set a graph of velocity versus time and a trapezium also, like the previous video. This is the final velocity component and this is the time component. And this is the initial velocity component. This is final velocity minus initial velocity. And this is also initial velocity. Now we have to name the points O, A, B, C and D. So as per we know that the area of the trapezium denotes the S. So you can take it. So we can write that S is equals to half u plus v into t, because we know that the area of the trapezium is equals to half into u plus v into base, I mean the t. And now S is equals to half u plus v into v minus u by a, because we know that v is equals to u plus at, and we can write that v minus u by a is equals to t. In the next line, S is equals to half v square minus u square by a, and also can write 2as is equals to v square minus u square, and the final line is v square is equals to u square plus 2as. So the proof has been completed totally. So we have already completed the derivation of v squared is equal to u² plus 2as by graph. In the next part I will solve it by calculus. So let's start. So now, according to the calculus rule, we can write that the first derivation of velocity is equals to acceleration. So we can write the next step, that dv by ds into ds by dt is equals to a. So we can write dv by ds into v is equals to a, or v dv is equals to a ds, or in the next line, integration v dv upper limit v lower limit u is equals to integration upper limit s lower limit 0 a ds, or v square by 2 upper limit v lower limit u is equals to a s upper limit s lower limit 0 in the next line, or v square minus u square by 2 is equals to as. So we can write also v square minus u square is equals to 2as, and the final line is v square is equals to u square plus 2as, and the proof has been completed totally. So by this process the derivation of v square is equal to u² plus 2as has been completed totally. So like, comment, share and subscribe for more and more concept clearing, and for today, bye.